right?
Dan, what do we got going on?
We have big baits for big fish.
Dude,
That's a really big bait.
that's an 8-inch hole for reference.
Come on, pikey, pikey. Down you go. Down you go.
You going? They're almost
He's
level.
sitting perfect. Look at him.
Dude, this is gonna be sweet.
See how many fish come and look at it.
Dude, if this flag goes off, this is gonna be nuts.
We're gonna go like this.
Oh my!
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
Austin, get over here, dude.
Oh, buddy. Tighten your drag. Tighten your drag. Your drag's way too loose. Oh my God.
Dude,
Oh, Willie.
that is not a bass.
That is not a bass. 100%. Please tell me you got a tape.
Huh?
You got a tape measure?
Dude.
Yeah.
That's a big one there.
Let me know when he's close. Look out, puppers.
Yeah. Come here, puppy.
Oh no. Big?
Dude.
Big?
Yes. Dawson, come here and help. Get ready. He's getting close.
Look out, puppers.
I like your hoodie.
Hey, you like that?
Yeah. He's coming. He's running towards me. He's running towards me. Let me know when.
I haven't seen nothing yet. The line's almost...
Dude, that hook set was ridiculous.
That's crazy how it took off.
I can't believe it how much line he was spooling. You set the hook and it ran probably 50 yards in seconds.
Dude, honestly, my hand's getting tired. I'm not even kidding.
Oh, I see weeds. Shelby, wanna get tanked? Holy shit. You run through the mud puddles here.
I say don't lose him.
Fuck is he?
He's on there.
Haven't seen a head or nothing. The water's all fucking black now. I can't see shit. Holy fuck, dude, that's a big one.
You all right?
Yeah. The fucking insane.
I can't see anything, dude.
I know that water's all black right now.
I don't know if he's right here.
I don't think so. I won't pull too hard.
He's still on.
That line's caught in the ice somewheres. It's caught in the ice.
Oh, I feel his head right here.
Do you? Move back, puppy.
The line's stuck in the ice. You got to get your hand all the way down and get that line out.
Oh, dude, this is a big one. Hold on, go slow.
No, I'm not reeling. I'm giving you some slack
Okay.
just a little bit.
Oh,
You feel him?
yep.
Move, dog.
This is a big one.
Come on, BR40.
Dude, this is the... Give it, pull...
Pull towards you, or?
Yeah, bring him back up. There we go. A little bit more.
I can't.
Almost had my hands in his gill.
Come on.
Holy
here, puppy.
fuck.
Come here, puppy. Come here.
Shelby, can you get tanked back?
Take care of it. Come on, bud. Get out there.
Oh, yeah. We're right there.
I bet it's getting closer to Dawson. Closer to
Oh, man, I can almost get my hand in his gill. That's a big one. He's got big cheeks. He's got really big cheeks.
Come on, come up the hole.
Good?
Yep, we right there.
Yep.
Holy fuck, dude.
Oh.
Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! That's the 40!